W with MRMIKE.
Today, everybody, we are going to draw a baseball. Baseball. Can you say baseball? Baseball. Wow. This is the baseball that we are going to draw today. Can you believe it? We only need 3 basic lines and shapes to create this baseball. Today we'll use a circle, an arc, and a line. So let's see how it all fits together to make a baseball. Start off, we're going to make a circle right about here. Start off. Don't fill up the whole page, but it's definitely going to be a big baseball. And make the best circle that you can. Circles are hard, especially when you make a big circle. So if you have to make the line go all the way around and then trace over it again, that's totally fine. And if it's a little lopsided, like one side is straight and the other side is, that's okay. It does not have to be a perfect circle. It is very difficult to draw a perfect circle. So let's draw our circle first, and then we're going to create an arc. And the arc is going to go here, and that will be where the stitching is. So one arc on this side, and another arc on this side. Look at that, 2 arcs. Now it kind of looks like a tennis ball. Actually, it does look like a tennis ball, but we're not making a tennis ball. We are making a baseball, so we need to add the stitching. Now there's a lot of little lines that go with this stitch. So we don't have to worry about it being difficult because we're only making lines, but we do have to draw a lot of them. So let's see, if we start doing a line here and have it go to an angle, just like a baseball would, you can see if we do it in repetition, it gets easy. So they're all angled the same way, just like that. Now we're going to do the same thing on the opposite side. We're going to start at the point and we'll come down like this. So it looks like a bunch of arrows. That's what it looks like, a bunch of arrows pointing in one direction. You see that? It goes all the way over, just like that. And you can continue your stitching over here if you want. So now we're going to do the same thing on this side. Okay? So we'll start our stitching and we'll go just like this. Little lines all around the arc. And we'll do the same thing on the opposite side. Remember, it goes to a point. There are a bunch of arrows pointing in the same direction. And then to finish it off, if you want to create a thick black outline around your baseball, you may. You do not have to. Sometimes I do. Sometimes I don't. Thanks so much for drawing with me today. I'll see you next time. Bye.
For this and other episodes, drawing lessons, activities, and books, please visit drawwithmrmike.com. And don't forget to subscribe to the Draw with Mr. Mike channel on YouTube, Vimeo, and Facebook.
Draw with Mr. Mike. Let's draw with Mr. Mike. DRAW with MRMIKE.